Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. Once again I am present with chapter number 9 of mathematics, and the title of this chapter is money. This is the sixth part of this chapter, and through this video we will learn about addition of money. This is so simple subtopic. So let's start this class. 40 paise. As you know that we can write P, the short form of paise. 40 paise plus 25 paise. This is horizontal form. When we write from left hand side to right hand side, this is horizontal form. So when we get these two numbers, 40 paise plus 25 paise, what is the correct answer? 65 paise. 65 paise. This is answer. Okay. But when we write this number like this, 40 paise and 25 paise, what is answer? 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, 65 paise. 65 paise. This is column method. This method is called the horizontal method, and this method is called the column method. When we write two or more than two number, start from the bottom and go down and go to start from the top and go to the bottom. So this is called the column method. This is called horizontal method. And this is column. This is column method. So now start this session. Question number 1. 65 paise, 20 paise. This is first question. Question number 1. Question number 2 is 35 paise and 40 paise. You can see that I have written two questions in column method. First we will solve this question. 5 plus 0, 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 65, and this is unit. Unit is paise. Paise would be the unit of money. Rupees and paise is unit of money, because in Indian currency we will write rupees and paise. We measure of Indian currency in rupees and paise. So rupees and paise is unit of money. So we will write paise. Or in short form you can write P only. Now come to the second question. 35 paise plus 40 paise. Same. 5 plus 0 equal to what? 5. 3 plus 4 equal to what? 7. What is correct answer? 75 paise. This is answer. This is our answer. Okay. Now come to the another type of question. Question number 2 is we will add rupees. For example, 240 rupees or next is 176 rupees. 240 rupees and 176 rupees. Now add. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 455 rupees. 455 rupees and 370 rupees. Now add. This is so simple addition. Now add. 0 plus 6 equal to what? 6. 4 plus 7 equal to what? 4 plus 7, 11. 4 plus 7, 11. We will write only 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. What is the correct answer? 460 rupees. This is answer. Now come to the second question. Second question is 455 rupees and 370 rupees. Now add 5 plus 0 equal to what? 5. 5 plus 7 equal to what? 5 plus 7, 12. We will write only 2. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. What is answer? 825. 825. This is our answer. What is unit? Unit is rupee. So 825 rupees. This is our answer. Okay. So through these two questions, we have learned how can we add paise to paise and how can we add rupees to rupees. Now come to the next type of question. Next question is how can we add rupees and paise both together? Just suppose that I am writing in the same rupees and पैसे. कैसे हम लोग रुपीज और पैसे दोनों में दिया था ऐड कर सकते हैं? सपोज दैट 45 rupees 30 पैसे and 70 rupees 40 पैसे. You can see that this is not this is not two different question. This is a single question. 45 rupees 30 paise, 70 rupees 40 paise. Okay. Question number 2. Rupees paise. 348 rupees. 348 rupees 75 paise. 348 rupees 75 paise and 310 rupees, 65 paise. This is question rupee paise. Now you can see that I have written two questions. In this question rupees and paise both. So we will add 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So what is answer? 70 paise. Now come to the rupee side. 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 7 11. So this is our answer. 115 rupees 75 paise. How can we read this number? 115 rupees. You can see that in this side, in my left hand side, is rupees, and in my right hand side paise. So what is answer? 115 rupees 70 paise. Now come to the second question. Second question is Second question is 348 rupees 75 paise and 310 rupees 65 paise. इस फर्स्ट we will add पैसे. पहले 8 पैसे को ऐड करेंगे. 5 plus 5 equal to what? 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 7. 8. 8 plus 6. 14. So we will not write 14. If we will write 14, this is wrong. Okay. So we will write only 4. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 6 14. We will write only 4. And 1 carry. We will carry 1 in rupees. रुपीज में 1 जो है वो कैरी करेंगे. ओके. So we will write 1. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Then we will write 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 6 14. We will write only 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 0 9. Completed. Now 4 plus 1 equal to what? 5. And 3 plus 3 equal to what? 6. So what is correct answer? 659 rupees 40 paise. 659 rupees 40 paise. This is answer. Okay. हम लोग इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे? 659 रुपीज 40 पैसे एक साथ. अगर रुपीज और पैसे दोनों में है तो ऐसे करेंगे. ठीक है. ये अलग अलग क्वेश्चन है. ये पूरा एक कंप्लीट एक क्वेश्चन है. ये पूरा कंप्लीट एक क्वेश्चन है. वो पूरा एक कंप्लीट है. ओके. नाउ वन मोर टाइप क्वेश्चन इज if we suppose that if we add 75 paise. Okay, 75 paise and 80 paise, or suppose that 50 paise. Suppose that we will add these two numbers 75 paise and 50 paise. First we will add 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 125 paise. 125 paise answer. And we will write, but already we know that if answer is 100 paise or more than 100 paise, this change we can change it in, or we can convert it in rupees. Already we know that 100 paise equal to 100 paise. We know that 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Yes or no? So what is answer? Answer. What is the sum of these two numbers? 125 paise. So we will write 125 paise to 1 rupee. 1 rupee. We will write 125 paise to 1 rupee 25 paise. 1 rupee 20. 1 rupee and 1 rupee and 25 पैसे. ओके, अगर हमारा आंसर द एडिशन ऑफ टू नंबर इज मोर देन 100 इन पैसे, we can change or we can convert in rupees and paise. Why? Because we know that 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. अगर दो नंबर का सम 100 या 100 से ज्यादा आता है तो हम उसको रुपीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ऑलरेडी आई टॉट दिस थिंग्स इन कन्वर्जन ऑफ मनी. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन 1 rupee and 25 paise. ओके, so students, through this video we have learned addition of money.